Hello students, today we'll start new exercise and new type also. That is exercise 4.2. Previous exercise was concerned with type 1. I hope you remember where all the sides of the quadrilateral and one diagonals was mentioned. Now in type 2, this is exercise number 4.2 will follow type 2. Now what is type 2? So according to the type 2 construction, the two measurement of two diagonals will be given and measurement of three sides of the quadrilateral will also be given. Okay, so there is a new type of sum. Okay, so as because it is new type, so I'm only asking you to perform one sum, that is sum number 1 of question number 1 today. No other sum, only one construction I'm giving. So please carefully practice this particular construction very properly. Then tomorrow we'll do sum number 2 and sum number 3 of question number 1. But today concentrate on this particular construction. Okay students, so let's see how to draw this when the two diagonals and the three sides of the quadrilaterals would be given. Now, what is the first sum? Construct quadrilateral lift. So these are the dimensions given. Okay, so what is the first thing that we have to draw? Yes, we have to draw a rough sketch, which is very important. Now the first thing you have to draw is you have to draw a quadrilateral. Name it as LIFT. Okay, so what is the first dimension given? LF 4.5. LF, so see, diagonal is given, so I've drawn one diagonal like this. Okay, and I've written 4.5. Now what is the second one? Li is this one, so 4 centimeter. IF, this is IF, 3 centimeter. TL, now TL is this one, 2.5 centimeter. And what is the last one? TI. Okay, or IT is this one, again another diagonal is 4 centimeter. So it is following the second type. Measurement of two diagonals are given and also the measurement of three sides of the quadrilateral is given. See, this particular side is not mentioned. Okay, so now what exactly you have to draw? We'll follow some basic thing what we have done in the previous exercise. We'll go with the diagonals only. It doesn't matter that which diagonal you will choose. You can choose this diagonal also and this diagonal also, no matter. Okay, but I have chosen this diagonal, LF. Okay, so first thing I've drawn is, that is, I've drawn line segment of LF of measurement 4.5 centimeters. See, I've drawn this line LF 4.5 centimeters. Now students, here you have to decide that, again you see this whole quadrilateral is a combination of two triangles. If I'm taking this particular diagonal, then you will find that there are two triangles are there. This is a triangle, okay, that is LTF, and another triangle is what? LIF. Very similar to the previous one. Okay, so now which triangle, in if you see that this is a triangle where the dimensions are given, that these two sides are carrying the dimension, but if you see the above triangle, the dimensions of only one side is given but the another side is not given. So you have to choose that particular triangle where the dimensions are given. So you will draw this triangle first. Fine, you will draw this triangle. Fine. So how to draw this? What are the dimension given? 4 centimeters. See, I've drawn the 4 centimeter line out here. And what is another dimension given? 3 centimeters. So I've drawn this 3 centimeter line out here. Now what is the thing what you have to do? You have to take the measurement of this line. That is, first I'm going for 3 centimeter. Okay, 3 centimeter. So from where I have to draw 3 centimeter? From F, isn't it? So we'll put your compass point out here and you will draw one arc like this. Fine, one arc. Now, what is the another measurement given? 4 centimeter. So you will measure this 4 centimeter, students. Okay. So where you have to put the compass point? Obviously L. From L you have to draw 4 centimeter. So you will put your compass point out here, and see, you will put your compass point out here, and you will draw one arc like this. Okay. So if you carefully observe, then the two arcs will intersect at one point, and you have to name it as, according to the rough sketch, what is it? I. So you will name it as I, and you will join this IF and IL. I hope you have understood. So I have drawn this triangle. So the first aim is to draw this particular triangle. Now you see, from I one measurement is given, IT, and from L another measurement is given, 2.5. So we'll draw 4 centimeter and 2.5 centimeter. I've drawn also, see, 4 centimeter and 2.5 centimeter. Now again I will take the measurement of 4 centimeter. See, it is already 4 centimeter. So from where I have to draw 4 centimeter? From I only. So you will put your compass point on point I, and then you will draw one arc like this. Okay, this is a 4 centimeter arc. Now there is another measurement that we have to draw is 2.5 centimeter, from where you have to draw L, but before that you have to take the measurement. That is, yes, 2.5 centimeter. So this is 2.5 centimeter, from where you have to draw, from point L. Yes, from point L. So you will put your compass here, and then you will draw one arc like this. Okay, so again you will find that the two arcs are intersecting at one point. So according to the rough sketch, what is the point where this 4 and 2 is meeting? It is T. So you will mark it as T. Now from this point you have to join three lines, that is T and L. You have to join this point also, you have to join this point also, that is T and I, and finally you have to join T and F, so that you can get the required quadrilateral with two diagonals given. Okay, I hope you have understood this. This is a very easy sum, but as because it is a very new type for all of you, that is the reason I am asking to perform only one sum today, so that you should get adapted. Okay, now once you have drawn this, so you know that what is the final thing that you have to do is you have to write all the dimensions. That is 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 2.5 centimeter. This is 4 centimeter, students, and this is 4.5. Fine. So draw this. Okay, so tomorrow will come with another two sums. This is sum number 2 and sum number 3. Thank you very much and take care.